Get into a comfortable position. Take off your glasses. Make sure you're not chewing any gum or driving. Take a nice deep breath in and then out. Go ahead and give yourself permission to relax even more. Close your eyes, and I want you to scan your body for any tension. Slowly breathing in and out, releasing all that tension with your out-breath. Now breathe slowly and deeply. Follow along with my words, allowing your heart and mind to feel each of the words. Now imagine the number 3, bring it into your mind's eye. If you can't imagine, just pretend that you can. 3, 3, 3. Nice deep breath in and out. Now imagine the number 2, bring it into your mind's eye. 2, 2, 2. Breathe in slowly and out. Now imagine the number 1, bring it into your mind's eye. 1, 1, 1. Another deep breath in and out. Now let's start a new count from 10. I want you to imagine you're walking down a flight of stairs. There are 10 steps to bring you to the bottom. 10, 9, 8. You're going deeper and deeper. 7, 6, 5. Breathe in and out and just go even deeper. 4, 3, 2. You're deeper than you've ever gone before. And 1. Now just relax and breathe. Let go of all the things that are bothering you. I want you to just free your mind. All your negative thoughts are in the past. They no longer exist. They only existed in your mind. And you're free now of all of them. Now at the bottom of the stairs is a long hallway. As you walk down the hallway, you notice a red door at the end. Go ahead and walk down that hallway to the door. When you get to the door, go ahead and open it and just walk through. As you walk through, you notice that the room is empty, except for a spacesuit hanging. And on the other side of the room is a door with glass, and it's leading to outer space. Now I want you to walk over to the suit and put it on. Do that now. It fits you perfectly. Now walk over to that door to space and open up that door and allow yourself to just float into outer space. You're feeling weightless right now, and you're floating among the stars. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Now as you're floating here, you notice a large cloud. The cloud has an extension cord floating out of it. You realize the plug in your suit will fit it perfectly. Float over towards that cloud now. Now go ahead, take that cord and plug it in. An immediate rush of energy flows through your entire body. You've now plugged into the quantum field. This is where all realities exist. This is where all your desires are. This is the reality where you are wealthy beyond measure. I want you to tap into this reality. Bring it in front of your mind's eye. Watch the reality where you are wealthy and abundant. Feel what it feels like to be in that reality. What do you look like? What are you wearing? How do you feel? What does abundance beyond your wildest dreams feel like? Where do you live? What does your home or homes look like? What are the things you do for fun? Where do you travel? How exciting it is to travel first class. What restaurants do you go to? How much fun do you have? How does it feel now that you don't have to worry about money ever again? How does it feel to be totally secure? How does it feel to be free? What do you do in your spare time? How are you able to help others with your wealth? What causes do you support? Just notice how easy your life is here. I want you to spend some time here in this reality. Now I'm going to pull you out of this trance slowly, but before I do, I want you to make note that you will vividly remember this feeling when you wake up. 5, feeling refreshed and confident. 4, ready to take on the world. 3, waking up with all the abundance and wealth you could ever imagine. 2, you wake up feeling refreshed and in the most incredible, loving state of being. And 1, eyes open, wide awake. I want you to write down everything that you're feeling, everything that you experienced during this time. And I want you to come back to this anytime you feel anxious or insecure. I love you guys.